We will be making kisir today. Let's add 1 cup of fine bulgur to a mixing bowl. Let's now pour 2 cups of boiling water over it. I am mixing it briefly, covering it with a lid, and letting it rest for 15 to 20 minutes so that the bulgur wheat absorbs the water. In the meantime, let's add 80 ml of olive oil and a tablespoon of tomato paste to a pan. Let's now fry the tomato paste so that we get rid of its heavy smell. After frying it for 2 minutes, I am adding a dessertspoon of dried mint, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, and a full teaspoon of salt to it. Let's now fry all of these for another minute or 2. After that, let's turn down the heat to a lower setting and stir these for 20 to 30 seconds. After turning off the heat, let's add a dessertspoon of pomegranate molasses to the pan, squeeze half of a lemon on it, and mix it. Our sauce is ready now. Let's now pour the sauce over the expanded bulgur and mix it thoroughly. After that, I am letting it rest so that it cools down. At that point, I will add the greens to it. I have 5 to 6 stems of finely chopped spring onion here. I am adding it to the mix and stirring it. My mixing bowl was a bit too small at this stage, so I am transferring the content to a bigger bowl so that I can continue. I have 30 grams of chopped parsley and 5 leaves of chopped lettuce here. I am adding those to the mix and keep stirring so that everything blends well. You can put a big lettuce leaf on your serving plate and place the bulgur salad on it as I do. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. Enjoy!